Hi, I'm Mercy Johnpuri and I'm an artist based in Bangalore. I've been practicing art for the last 7 to 8 years in almost all mediums, and my focus area is usually portraits. Recently, I've taken a liking towards soft pastels, and that is where I came across Mr. Parag's work. And when he announced the workshop, online workshop, I didn't even think twice. And I'm not exaggerating when I say that it was one of the best workshop I've attended till date. It was a 4 day workshop wherein on the very first day itself, he took us through his journey as an artist by showing us all his old works starting from 2002 to till date. It was really a visual treat and I really enjoyed watching that. It was very informative also to see his growth over the years. And he also covered various topics like the technical part of sketching the portrait with just lines and shapes, the pricing part, the framing part, how to approach an exhibition, and also how to preserve and store your works, which helps in the longevity of the works. All relevant topics, actually, I would say. And then he also spoke about various brands of soft pastels which are available in the market, and also various type of papers which are available for doing the soft pastel works on. So I that was very informative, and we discussed the pros and cons of each brand, and he left it to the artist to decide on which brand should one use as per one's work. So that was another good topic which he covered. And my personal high, I would say, would be the usage of color black. I've always dread using the color black, and it was only during his workshop I realized that if used wisely, the color black, since it's a very strong color, if used wisely, we can come out with such beautiful piece of work. And as you can see, the painting behind me was done during his workshop, and I highly recommend him to all my friends, and I thoroughly enjoyed his workshop. Thank you, Mr. Parag, for the wonderful workshop.